Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be teaching the Zen Rollover closing, which looks like this. To do the Zen Rollover closing, you want to start it in this position. To get in this position, you can either do a short stop, or half orbit, or just an ice pick aerial, or anything like that. And what you want to do is you want to put your thumb down near the pivots though. And from here, you want to have your thumb on top of both handles and all your other fingers on the other side. And you want to let go of the safe handle. You want to have the bite handle facing towards you. You want to let go of the safe handle, and then you're going to turn your palm down. And as you're doing that, you want to take your thumb and rotate it. Rotate the handle to where your thumb is in between the two handles instead of on the outside like this. Rotate it like that. And then from here you're going to do a Zen Rollover. If you already know how to do it, then great. If you don't, all you're really doing is flinging the safe handle on top of your thumb and letting go as soon as it hits your thumb, letting go with your other two fingers that you're holding it with. And what it's going to do is going to spin around. And after it spins around, you want to let it spin around to there and catch on the opposite handle you're throwing it off of. So you're going to throw it off the bite handle and you catch with the safe handle. And how you want to catch it is you throw it around. It's going to come around. You want to catch it to where you don't have any of your fingertips in between the handle or the blade to where it closes. So you want to have your fingers on the sides of the handles so that when it comes around, it closes. And that's how you do the Zen Rollover closing. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you learned how to do this closing from this tutorial, or you already knew it, comment down below and let me know. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video.